Embracing flexibility and iterative progress. The Agile development approach. Welcome to the world of Agile development, a methodology revolutionizing how we create software. In the realm of technology, staying ahead means adapting quickly, and Agile allows just that: flexibility, collaboration, and rapid progress. Imagine building software like crafting a masterpiece. Traditional methods demanded a full sketch before the first stroke. Agile, however, invites us to draw, assess, and adjust as we go, ensuring the final piece is exactly what's needed. Agile breaks the project into bite-sized pieces, known as iterations or sprints. Each one is a mini project in itself, complete with design, development, testing, and deployment. This makes managing even the most complex projects seem less daunting. Teams in Agile are more than just groups of people working together. They're tightly knit units where developers, designers, testers, and product owners collaborate intensely. This synergy is the heartbeat of Agile, fostering innovation and efficiency at every step. Short cycles, typically spanning a few weeks, are at the core of Agile. These sprints empower teams to deliver working software quickly and frequently, with a clear focus on customer needs and the flexibility to pivot as those needs evolve. Feedback loops are integral to Agile. After each iteration, teams review the work with stakeholders, gathering insights and suggestions. This constant exchange ensures the product not only meets, but exceeds user expectations. One of the most significant advantages of Agile is its risk management. With traditional methods, issues might not surface until the final stages. Agile, however, brings problems to light early on, making them easier to address without derailing the project. Agile is not just about the technical aspects, it's a mindset. It encourages a culture of continuous improvement, where learning and adaptation are constant. Teams celebrate achievements and learn from setbacks, driving progress forward. Transparency is another cornerstone of Agile. Regular updates and open communication ensure everyone, from the team members to the stakeholders, is on the same page, minimizing surprises and aligning expectations. In Agile, the end goal might remain the same, but the path to get there can evolve. This flexibility allows teams to incorporate new technologies, methods, or market trends, ensuring the final product is relevant and cutting edge. Adopting Agile might seem daunting at first, with its emphasis on change and speed. However, those who embrace it find it transforms not just how they work, but how they think about work, fostering a dynamic and responsive environment. Agile development is more than a methodology. It's a journey towards creating software that truly meets the needs of its users in a way that's efficient, effective, and adaptable. Welcome to Agile, where the future of software development is here and now. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content on methodologies, frameworks, and Agile practices. Until next time.